Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Firefox tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to make Firefox your default browser. This is actually quite simple. To do this I click into the Windows search and type in default apps. I click that and now I have to scroll down until I find web browsers. Right now Chrome is my default browser. If I click on the icon I can now select Firefox and the setting is active. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.